Phew! It sure is hot in this desert. I wonder how hot it is. Hey, look at this! A glass tube with some liquid inside. And there are some marks and numbers along the outside.
Click on the glass tube. A thermometer is an instrument that measures temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is.
Right. So this thermometer can show us how hot it is here in the sunlight. But how do we read it? Well, this looks like part of a number line. But what do that small circle and the letter F at the top mean?
Click here on the thermometer. This circle is the degree symbol, and the letter F stands for the word Fahrenheit. Degrees Fahrenheit are units we use to measure temperature.
I see. Just as we can measure length in units such as inches, or capacity in units such as cups, we can measure temperature in units called degrees Fahrenheit. Instead of writing the word Fahrenheit here, we can just write the letter F, and the numbers at the side of the thermometer tell us how many degrees Fahrenheit the temperature is. Now let's see. The top of the liquid in the thermometer is next to the number 120. So I guess that means the temperature here in the sunlight is 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so 120 degrees Fahrenheit means it's pretty hot. I wonder if it's any cooler in the shade. Ah, that's better. And look, the top of the liquid in the thermometer has dropped. Let's see what the temperature is on this thermometer now.
What is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit here in the shade? Click on a number, then click OK. That's it. The temperature here in the shade is 90 degrees Fahrenheit.
The top of the liquid in the thermometer is beside the number 90, so the temperature in the shade is 90 degrees Fahrenheit. As it gets cooler, the temperature decreases. All the same, 90 degrees in the shade is still pretty hot. Right, about as hot as a sunny day on the beach. Phew, I think it's time for a nice cold drink. With some ice, of course. Say, I wonder what the temperature is in this bucket of ice. Wow! The top of the liquid in the thermometer has dropped quite a bit. The temperature in this bucket of ice is between 30 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The thermometer is divided into 5 equal parts between 30 degrees and 40 degrees. And the top of the liquid in the thermometer is beside the first mark above 30 degrees.
What is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit in this bucket of ice? Type in a number here, then click OK. The temperature in this bucket of ice is 32 degrees Fahrenheit.
There are 10 degrees between 30 degrees and 40 degrees. This 10 degrees is divided into 5 equal parts. So, Each of these 5 equal parts shows 2 degrees. This means the first mark above 30 degrees shows 32 degrees. The temperature in this bucket of ice is 32 degrees Fahrenheit.
Click on the thermometer. Pure water turns to ice or freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yikes! When it's 32 degrees Fahrenheit, it must be pretty cold. Hey, look! We found that water freezes at 32 degrees. But there are numbers on this scale below 32 degrees. There are even numbers below 0.
Click on our friend. In some countries, the temperature in winter in degrees Fahrenheit can be 10 below 0 or lower. This minus sign in front of the number 10 shows that the temperature is below 0 degrees.
Brr. When the temperature is below 0, it must be extremely cold. Let's look at some other temperatures on this thermometer.
Where do each of these temperatures lie on this thermometer? Drag each number to the correct place, then click OK. That's it. These temperatures lie at these places on the thermometer.
34 degrees lies here, because 34 is between 30 and 40. 52 degrees lies here, because 52 is between 50 and 60. 77 degrees lies here, because 77 is between 70 and 80. And 113 degrees lies here, because 113 is between 110 and 120.
Now click on these temperatures. The temperature on a cold winter's day might be 34 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature on a cool fall evening might be 52 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature in a cozy living room might be 77 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature of a glass of warm milk might be 113 degrees Fahrenheit.
Say, that ice is starting to melt. You'd better hurry up and put it in your drink. What? A kettle? I can't believe you're boiling water on a day as hot as this.
Click on the kettle. Pure water turns into steam or boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow! Water boils at a much higher temperature than it freezes.
What is the difference in degrees Fahrenheit between the temperature at which water boils and the temperature at which water freezes? Type in a number here, then click OK. The difference in degrees Fahrenheit is 180.
Water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. To find the difference between these two temperatures, we can subtract 32 from 212. In the ones place, 2 minus 2 is 0. To subtract in the tens place, first regroup these two hundreds as 100 and 10 tens. Adding 10 to the one already in the tens place gives us 11 tens. Now, 11 tens minus 3 tens equals 8 tens. 100 minus 0 hundreds equals 100. So, the difference in degrees Fahrenheit between the temperature at which water boils and freezes is 180. You know, to fit 180 degrees on a thermometer so that we can read each degree, we'd need quite a long thermometer. But that could be awkward to use.
Click on this thermometer. This thermometer measures temperature in degrees Celsius, shown by the degree symbol and the letter C.
So there are other units besides degrees Fahrenheit we can use to measure temperature. Degrees Celsius. Using these units, the freezing temperature of pure water is 0 degrees, and the boiling temperature of pure water is 100 degrees.
What is the difference in degrees Celsius between the boiling temperature and the freezing temperature of water? Type in a number here, then click OK. The difference in degrees Celsius between these two temperatures is 100.
The boiling temperature of water is 100 degrees Celsius, and the freezing temperature of water is 0 degrees Celsius. The difference in degrees Celsius between these two temperatures is 100 minus 0, which equals 100. The units on these two thermometers are different. So the freezing temperature of water is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, but 0 degrees Celsius. And the number of degrees Fahrenheit and the number of degrees Celsius will be different for other temperatures also.
Click on this button to see temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit and in degrees Celsius. "34 degrees Fahrenheit is about 1 degree Celsius. 52 degrees Fahrenheit is about 11 degrees Celsius. 77 degrees Fahrenheit is 25 degrees Celsius. 113 degrees Fahrenheit is 45 degrees Celsius."
Tea on such a hot day? Iced tea.
Click on these arrows to change the temperature on either the Fahrenheit or the Celsius scale. Compare the numbers on the two scales as they show how hot or cold the temperature is.
In this heat, that camel must be thirsty too. Good idea. A drink of water from that well should cool your camel down. If it's not too hot, that is. Let's measure the temperature of this water using this Fahrenheit thermometer.
What is the temperature of the water in degrees Fahrenheit? Drag a number here, then click OK. That's it. The temperature of the water is 68 degrees Fahrenheit.
The top of the liquid in the thermometer is beside the mark for the number 68, so the temperature of the water is 68 degrees Fahrenheit. 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So the temperature of this water is warmer than the freezing temperature of water, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit.
What number sentence can you use to find how many degrees warmer 68 degrees is than 32 degrees? Click on the number sentence, then click OK. That's it. You can use this number sentence.
To find how many degrees warmer 68 degrees is than 32 degrees, you can subtract 32 from 68. Well, 68 degrees minus 32 degrees is 36 degrees. So the temperature of the water in the well is 36 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than the freezing temperature of water.
Click on this thermometer. The temperature of the water in the well is 20 degrees Celsius. In degrees Celsius, this temperature is 20 degrees above the freezing temperature of water, 0 degrees.
The temperature of this water seems cool enough. I think your camel would like a drink. Say, the sun has gone down and it's getting chilly here. During the day, it was 120 degrees Fahrenheit. I wonder how much the temperature has dropped now that it's nighttime.
Click here. The nighttime temperature is 58 degrees cooler than the daytime temperature.
Wow! So the temperature now at night is 58 degrees cooler than 120 degrees Fahrenheit.
What is the temperature at night in degrees Fahrenheit? Type in a number here, then click OK. The temperature at night is 62 degrees Fahrenheit.
The temperature at night is 58 degrees cooler than 120 degrees Fahrenheit. To find the temperature at night, we can subtract 58 from 120, which gives us 62. So the temperature at night is 62 degrees Fahrenheit. It looks like you'll need those blankets.
Well done! You've completed this lesson. Click here to go to the practice area, or click here to return to the menu. What is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit inside this igloo? Drag a number here, then click OK. That's right. The temperature inside the igloo is 36 degrees Fahrenheit.
The temperature inside the igloo is between 30 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. There are 10 degrees between 30 degrees and 40 degrees. And these 10 degrees are divided into 5 equal parts. So each of these 5 equal parts shows 2 degrees. 30, 32, 34, 36 degrees. The temperature inside the igloo is 36 degrees Fahrenheit.
What is the temperature in degrees Celsius inside this greenhouse? Type in a number here, then click OK. It's 54 degrees Fahrenheit inside this tent, and it's 10 degrees Fahrenheit cooler outside the tent. What is the temperature outside the tent? Type in your answer here, then click OK. The nighttime temperature at this beach is 64 degrees Fahrenheit. The daytime temperature is 88 degrees Fahrenheit. Which number sentence can you use to find how many degrees warmer 88 degrees is than 64 degrees? Click on the number sentence, then click OK. That's right. You can use this number sentence to find how many degrees warmer 88 degrees is than 64 degrees.
To find how many degrees warmer 88 degrees is than 64 degrees, you need to find the difference between 88 and 64. 88 minus 64 is 24. So, the daytime temperature is 24 degrees warmer than the nighttime temperature.
Good work! You've completed these practice questions. Click here to go to the workout, or click here to return to the menu.
Whoa! Watch your head. It's dark in this cave. That's better. Brrr, it's chilly in here. I wonder what the temperature is inside this cave. Well, 0 is here, and we start counting up from 0.
What is the temperature in degrees Celsius inside this cave? Type in a number here, then click OK. The temperature inside this cave is 8 degrees Celsius.
This thermometer is marked off in tens. Between each of these numbers, the thermometer is divided into 5 equal parts. Each of these parts shows 2 degrees. This is 0 degrees. So, counting on by 2, this is 2 degrees, this is 4 degrees, this is 6 degrees, and this is 8 degrees. So, the temperature inside this cave is 8 degrees Celsius. Hey, this sign says that it is 22 degrees Celsius warmer outside the cave.
Is the temperature outside the cave above or below 8 degrees Celsius? Click here or here, then click OK. That's it. The temperature outside the cave is above 8 degrees Celsius.
The temperature inside the cave is 8 degrees Celsius. And because the temperature outside the cave is 22 degrees warmer, the temperature outside must be above 8 degrees.
What is the temperature outside the cave? Drag this arrow to show the temperature outside, then click OK. The temperature outside is greater than that. Try again. That's it. The temperature outside the cave is 30 degrees Celsius.
It is 8 degrees Celsius inside this cave. And you know that the temperature outside is 22 degrees warmer than this.
Which number sentence can you use to find the temperature outside the cave? Click on the number sentence, then click OK. That's it. You can use this number sentence to find the temperature outside the cave.
It's 8 degrees Celsius inside the cave, and it's 22 degrees warmer outside the cave. So, to find the temperature in degrees Celsius outside the cave, you add 8 and 22. Let's add these numbers. Starting in the ones place, 8 plus 2 is 10. You can regroup these 10 ones as 1 10 and 0 ones. And 1 10 plus 2 10s is 3 10s. So, 8 plus 22 is 30. The temperature outside the cave is 30 degrees Celsius.
Congratulations! You've completed this unit. Click here to go to the next lesson, or click here to return to the menu.